Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Want to step with today and here with another new video to show you guys on how you can empty your Google Drive in your PC or laptop. Emptying up your Google Drive means trying to free up storage. You can also do this by deleting all of the items or files or unnecessary files that you have in your Google Drive by simply deleting them, or you can also upgrade your storage plan. To delete all of the files on your Google Drive, all you have to do is go on into the file section, click on any one of the file first, and simply click on Ctrl+A on your keyboard. You can see that this will select all of the files that are in your home screen. Now all you have to do is go on and click on the Move to Trash option. Now after doing so, you can see all of your files has been transported into the trash. Now to fully delete the file and free up storage, all you have to do is go to the trash option again from the left hand side of your screen, and from there on again do the same process of selecting one file and clicking on Ctrl+A. After that, all you have to do is click on this delete button and confirm your action of deleting forever, but make sure you are only deleting the item that is unnecessary to you, because once you delete it, there will be no way to restore or recover it. Or if you want to make your storage larger, you can do so by getting more storage as well. Click on Get More Storage, and after that you'll be able to see all of the plans that Google Drive offers in order to exceed your storage plan. There are 3 plans, that is your basic, standard, and the premium one. Select the one that suits you the best and click on Get Offer. After that, you'll be able to buy the storage plan. So guys, this was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.